Google is going all out in their Pixel 9 series. Last month we saw some early hands-on images of Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now a couple days ago a Russian source has revealed all models from vanilla to high-end ones. There are still 6 months in official launch of Pixel 9 lineup. As it can be seen in this image on left side, there is Google Pixel 9, which is the base model with 6.24 inches display. The middle one is Pixel 9 Pro with 6.36 inches display. And on right, this is the top variant in series Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which has largest display of 6.73 inches. Pixel 9 has little bit thicker bezel as being the base variant, and Pixel 9 Pro has thin bezels, while the 9 Pro XL has much thinner than 9 Pro, which looks really great. And the Pro models from front looks a lot similar to the iPhone 15 Pro models as they have really thin bezels. And all these Google Pixel 9 models have center punch hole selfie shooter. Source has also shared some images of Pixel 9 Pro placed with iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL with iPhone 15 Pro Max from rear side. In this side-by-side comparison, you can see Pixel 9 Pro looks way thinner than the iPhone 15 Pro, but the camera bump on both devices is really huge. Pixel 9 has 2 rear cameras, while the 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL has 3 cameras including a periscope lens. And just like all other Pixel phones, these ones are also having the SIM card tray at the bottom along with Type-C charging port and speakers. Google Pixel 9 Pro has 16GB of RAM with 128GB of storage option. Maybe the XL variant will offer more storage options. Pro models will have Google Tensor G4 processor. And here are the all details about the G4 Cortexes. Talking about the price, then the expected price is $1,000. We are like almost 6 months away from the launch. Let's see what happens. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next one.